say your name?
United, there is little we cannot do in a host of cooperative ventures. Divided, there is little we can do.
Hi, my name is Alejandra. I'm a biology major at Yawning College, and I hope to specialize in marine biology. I used to see my grandmother drinking just a lot of canned soda. It's made out of aluminum, and she would just always throw it into the trash. And I remember just I learned about the impact that has on our community, in our environment. Like we were reading books on it. It was just kind of this whole lesson on global, just how to protect the world, how to take care of it. And when I told her what recycling was, and I explained to her this aluminum can go into the recycling bin and be reused, I saw her. It was maybe a 5-minute conversation. I didn't think it was super impactful at the time, but later on when I saw, even after years, she's still recycling those aluminum cans, inside me I was just like, wow, that 5-minute conversation really resonated with her. And that's why I think it's even 3-minute conversations, just kind of informing people what the impact is of what they're doing every day can leave a major impact on the way they live the rest of their lives. Little things. Little by little, they'll get pieces and fragments of that information and be able to piece it together and be like, wow, maybe this is actually something worth changing.